Hi folks, just came from Walmart and picked up this camera. Basically I was impressed by the price and what it says here. It's got 40x zoom optical plus super low lux, which means super low light performance, phase detection, stabilization system, and it records in full HD. And that's what got me to get try. And basically, I mean, this is full HD, $189 camera. So I thought I'll give it a try. I don't see why not. And I was looking for second camera for me. So I saw this one and I thought, okay, I'll try to this one and see what it's capable of doing. So now I'm gonna open this box. As you can see, it's sealed and it's a new one. It's a strange seal actually. I think you can open it without breaking it. Yep. Look. Whoops, I didn't break the seal, which is funny, and I opened it. Okay, this is warranty card. This is basic user guide. That's some information here. This is a product registration card. Now here comes out camera itself. Okay, let's see. This is a power supply. This is a battery. Data battery. It's 700 milliamperes. Not big, but that's okay for this much money. It also has USB cable. There is looks like AV cable, and here comes the camera. That's really small, really small. It opens like this. There is SD card slot. There's a battery compartment. And says CMOS sensor, and it says here 40x optical zoom. Here's the lens color. Okay, I got it open. Now I'm gonna charge it, and I'm gonna post another video taken by this camera to see if it stands up to what it says on the box. I'll see you later. Bye now.